welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Chris. Today we're doing a pizza again, but not the normal pizza, we're doing a stuffed crust pizza. And I've got the flag of Italy. Really, but it's not invented in Italy. The basics are, but this was invented in Pizza Hut in the early 90s by a lady called Patty Liebschmier. Anyway, she changed the pizza by doing a stuffed crust one. I'm going to try it and show you what it looks like. It's not that hard when you know how. Anyway, see you a bit later. For this recipe, you will need olive oil, passata, water, cheese sticks, shredded mozzarella, pepperoni, parmesan cheese, garlic, whole mozzarella, butter, pizza dough and basil. Here we're taking out the pizza dough. Refer to the previous video that I've done on pizza of how to make this. I'm going to divide this in half, and each one of these is about 750 grams because you need a pizza of about 1/4 of an inch thick. Now I'm forming this into a ball, and you'll notice that I've got the circles already pre-mapped on this mat, and we're going to make a 12-inch pizza. So squash this out with your hands, nice and firm, and we've got the right size. Now what we do is put it on the tray, and then from then I can then put the ingredients in it. Sometimes the pizza dough will shrink back a bit, it's got a tendency to do that, but just keep persisting with it, pushing it to the edges. Cheeky little beer off a camera I thought, but never mind, somebody caught me doing it. Okay, let's get on. So push it out to the edges, and I'm now going to put some cheese sticks around the edge. If you can get proper mozzarella sticks, it's good. Going to put some buffalo mozzarella over the cheese sticks, and then also a bit of shredded mozzarella. I want this to be really cheesy in the crust, really tastes nice and makes a lot of difference. And then once we've done that, we fold it over. I'm going to put a little bit of water around the inside so that the pizza dough folds over and sticks. There we are, that's that done. And now we put in the ingredients. Good quality passata, remember, no rubbish, good quality Italian ingredients. Loads and loads of mozzarella. Here's the buffalo mozzarella going on, and that goes in all in there. And then the next thing is we put on some pepperoni. Love the pepperoni, that's really good. And then the last thing we do is we put on some olive oil and then some basil. And also a little bit of salt and pepper as well for some extra seasoning. Plenty of olive oil makes a big difference on the taste. Here goes my little daisy fingers putting the basil in. Not so delicate, but never mind. Put it in the oven round about 230 degrees, a preheated oven, and on this tray it makes it nice and easy. And we'll put that in there for about 12 to 15 minutes. While that's in the oven, we're going to make up some garlic butter. So we'll melt some butter in a pan, not too hot, and then once that's melted, I'm going to add in some shredded garlic and stir that up, and then don't get it too hot or it'll burn. Once it's started to dissolve, then you can take it off of the heat. You don't want to keep it on there, otherwise it gives it a bitter taste. Once it's off, keep it to one side, and we'll add in some parmesan cheese. Right, out comes our pizza, and there we are, one lovely pizza. And then we'll get the garlic butter and we'll brush it around the edge. This is a really nice touch. Olive oil as well, and there goes the garlic butter. It gives it a lovely taste, really nice. It's quite unusual to put it on there like this, but it really is very, very good. Okay, let's see how the pizza turned out. It looks good through the door, so let's have a look. Wow, that's good. That's hot. And that is well worth the effort. Look at that. Bloody marvellous, if I say so. All right, now what we do now is we put a little bit of garlic butter around the edges. Gives it an extra bit of flavour, a little bit more crispiness. Bucket. Okay, and there it is, it's done. I'm going to take a cut through this. It's too big for my pizza wheel, so I'll take a cut through. See what it's come out like. Oh wow, look at that. Gooey heaven. All right. I bet you'd love that, I know I do. It's a lot cheaper than it is in the shops, and that has cost me about £2 to make that. And that is really gooey with mozzarella, garlicky, wonderful. I'm going to tuck into that. Sorry you can't have it, but anyway, hope you enjoyed us watching, and hope to see you soon. Thanks Jack for doing the filming and the editing, and see you next time. Bye.